We got a 2022 Subaru Outback here with my esteemed associate here, and we're gonna change the air AC compressor. So there's 3 bolts right here, right here. There's actually 4 bolts because there's 2 on this side. This bracket on top you'll have to disconnect. He kind of got a head start already. Loosened up the belt. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward, so I'll walk you through it. It's 10 millimeter to remove the hoses, and then 12. So once you get everything unbolted, you're gonna want to take this off so that you can clear this bracket and get the compressor out. All right, now that this is out of the way, you can literally just take the compressor out. There you go. There's a little bracket also that sits right here that you'll want to take out, but that was not too bad. It's one of the easier jobs you'll do. I mean, once you put those 2 screws tight, the ones on the other side, you've got these lines right here, 10 millimeter, then you've got the bracket that's a 10, plug this one in here, that one in there. This is the line coming from the compressor itself, right there. And this is the other line that's in this wire loom, straight into the, the pressure switch. That's basically it. I'm gonna put the belt back on, which my esteemed colleague here has already done, and we're good to go. So when you pull vacuum, you want it to be somewhere around the range of -20 to -30 inches of mercury. And you're gonna use your vacuum pump with the hoses connected, turn the pump on and open the valve on the low side. Once it's vacuumed down, you're gonna close the valve and let it sit. It's been sitting for about 20 minutes. We just disconnected the low side hose and we're gonna charge it up with a can. So it helps if you tilt the can a little bit. Don't flip it upside down though, but just gently kind of rock it back and forth to stimulate the gases to move, and you want to wear gloves. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a glove on. But just to show you real quick, this fitting should be cold. This line should start getting cold. That's how you know it's going in.